Welcome to Mobility HIIT. We have 8 exercises. The first one is a plank walkout. Here we go. Walk out to plank, 1 push-up. Walk back in and stand tall. Arms up, arms down. Second option, walk out to plank, lower to forearms, pop into push-up. Little jump hop there with the arms, and come on up. So I am alternating walk out with 1 push-up, walk in, and a walk out with 1 lower to forearms, jump to the hands for the push-up. You could continue with the regular push-ups if that feels out of your reach, or if you like that fun little option, you could do them all that little pop-up to push-up. Forearms, jump to the hands. Great job. Exercise 2, we're going to come into a sit-up, hands down, jump or hop across the mat. Bend the right knee and then circle out your wrists really quickly. Take a little counter stretch, maybe a little twist. Bend the right knee, left leg's extended, sit up tall, roll back, roll up, hands in front of the straight leg, and then step across to the other side. Now left knee's bent, roll back, tuck the chin, roll up, set your hands down. See if you can push the shoulders down and keep the leg straight as you slide the foot across. Roll down, roll up. My other option is to take a little jump across. Pilates style, roll down, roll up, hands in front of straight leg, lift the hips, and hop across your mat. So I'm alternating little patterns with 1 push down, straight leg, slide across. That one does take some hamstring flexibility. See what you got. Roll up, hands down, keep the arms and legs straight. Step across, come to seated. Right knee's bent, roll down, roll up, hands in front of straight leg. Now jump across, little handstand hop. Awesome. Next one is a crab tap. 2 toe taps, flip yourself into lizard lunge. This one might take some practice. Set yourself in a crab position, feet and hands down. Toe tap right, toe tap left, right foot, lizard lunge, flip under yourself. Tap left, tap right, flip under, left knee outside the hands, lizard lunge. Tap right, tap left, swing the right foot out to the right hand, come back under. Tap, tap, flip yourself under, left foot forward, flip back. Toe tap right, left, then right lizard lunge, flipping under your body and then back over. Tap left, right, flip to lizard lunge. Practice it. Once you kind of keep saying right, it makes sense. Left, right, flip, left lizard. Flip under, crab. You are working at your own pace. Once you master the pattern, just push yourself and go. Great job. Next exercise, we're starting standing. We're going to lower to a yogi squat called Malasana, drive into a triangle pose, also known as a windmill, and then a curtsy lunge all the way to the ground if you can. Arms up, here we go, drop in, yogi squat, turn to your left, triangle pose. That same left leg crosses behind, sit if you can, and come back up. Again, yogi squat, turn to your right, triangle pose. Cross back, curtsy, squat to the ground. Back up, continue that pattern, working your depth and range of motion. Each time, maybe trying to get a little deeper into those shapes. Great job. Go ahead and come up to standing for the next exercise. We're going to step back into a lunge, kind of slide back into pistol squat, forward and stand up. Come to one side of your mat, leave space behind you, and we're going to go ahead and step back into a little crouching lunge. Roll onto the heel for pistol, forward and up. Step together, switch. Crouching lunge, pistol squat, step forward and stand. Get that little pattern down. If you can't quite pistol squat down on the heel, that's okay. Do what you need to do. Fun little option, maybe you stand up and then jump the feet together. Awesome job. Next up, we have a little side plank from side to side with a kick through to seated straddle fold. Go ahead and come down onto your knees. You can extend one leg out and bring your hands behind your head. And here we go. We're going to side bend away from that extended leg as low as you can go. And then side bend with your hand down, kick to a straddle. Maybe your elbows meet the mat, come back through, switch sides. Extended legs, side plank, lean over, side plank, hand down, slip that bottom leg through, straddle fold, come back where you came from. So that bottom leg is going to slide through after a side bend, hand down, extend it to straddle, and then fold down as far as you can go. Hand down to pull that knee back through. Continue side to side. You can extend the arms here to make this a little more challenging. Then your kick through to straddle fold. Hand down, knee under, knees together. Other side. Great work. Only 2 exercises to go. We're coming to one side of your mat for a Skandasana. You're going to bring your knees to meet, turn to a lunge, and then stand. So pick a side to start on. Give yourself room behind you. Here we go. Start with the right leg. Skandasana, side lunge. Sit, knees meet, swing to lunge the other way, the back of your mat, stand. Left leg. Skandasana, lunge. Sit, knees meet, swing over to the other side, lunge to stand. So you have a side lunge, sit, knees meet, lunge away from where you started, and step together. Continue that, using up as much space as you can on your mat. And if you can do this all with no hands, try to do it that way. If you need to use your hands, of course, go ahead and do that. Make the exercises work in your body. We're all different, and you can be working at your own pace, of course. That's the beauty of these timed drills. And quick break. Last exercise, we're going to come into a seated position, tricep dip lower to forearms, leg raise, and then hands scoot by knees for a half L sit. Go, lower to the forearms, legs up, legs down, press onto the hands by knees, lift your butt up. Again, hands by hips, forearms to mat, leg raise, up, compression, lower, hands down, shoulders down. Step the hands forward for your L sit. So make sure you're shifting your hands back for the forearm drop, leg lift, and then forward for the L sit so you have space to lift up your butt. Also remember to lean the shoulders forward on that half L. Again, that'll also give you more space to lift. It's quite challenging. You got to use a lot of core strength and shoulder strength for that half L. Last L sit, can you lift those feet up and maybe hold for a second or two? Awesome, take a forward fold, you made it through. Maybe go ahead and repeat that, or I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.